In this episode, you will see how plastic packaging for bakery and confectionery products is made. We can all appreciate the advantages of having baked and confectionery goods wrapped in plastic. They can be easily stored for long periods of time. The packets can be closed and reopened multiple times, and the goods will still be fresh and delicious when taken out. Is it safe for our health, though? Yes, provided that the manufacturer complies with the relevant regulations concerning the specific materials allowed to come into contact with food products, and that the packaging is a monomaterial, which means that it is wholly composed of a single type of material. This is key later on, at the waste sorting and recycling stage, where we can see what the production process of such certified plastic bags looks like. At the Coveris plants in Rypin,
Zajmujemy się produkcją opakowań.
we specialize in the production of plastic and paper packaging for the bakery, confectionery, and fresh food industry. As Coveris Rypin, we're one of the leaders in the industry in Poland and in the foreign markets. First, we'll visit the graphics department, where the packaging is designed, starting with a logo type for the customer. One design may take from 1 to several days. The approved graphics are then transferred to the printing forms. Here we can see how such forms are prepared for printing. These are attached to sleeves of specific lengths, one form for each color. This is done semi-automatically. What's key now is the precise installation of forms on the microdots. Meanwhile, the ink is prepared in the ink mixing room. Achieving the right colors is possible thanks to computer software. A pre-press is made using a proof printer. If the test passes, the printing process begins. It's done using an 8-color printing machine, composed of several modules. The first one is the clean foil unwinding zone. Then there is the printing and ink drying zone. And at the end, the post-printing material winding zone. The machines operate at a speed of up to 400 meters per minute. The final drying is conducted in a special tunnel at temperatures from 50 to 80 degrees Celsius. Using these technologically advanced devices, you can print on material with a thickness of 15 to 80 microns. Let's get down to it. The printer installs the clean foil and selects the ink and color set on a computer. He prepares a print proof, adjusts the settings in the software, if necessary, and then it's printing time. The printing is conducted under the watchful eye of the inspection cameras, which pick up on the smallest of faults with utmost precision. After the print is done, polypropylene or polyethylene foil is used to make wicket bags, either with a fold or without one. The rolls are installed in a special machine which heat seals the foil and passes it through winding stems. If the packaging is supposed to have a bottom fold, the foil is additionally passed through an extending unit. Next, there is a winding buffer, and then the zone where the 2 holes in the lip portion are made. After one last heat-sealing cut with a knife at a temperature of more than 400 degrees Celsius, the complete bags are transferred to a cooling station and then to the packing station. There, the packer collects them and puts them in cardboard boxes. They have to be quick. The machine can work at a speed of up to 500 strokes per minute and heat sealing 190,000 packs in one shift. The packaging is also formed using bobbin cutting machines, which cut the foil into smaller sizes. A big mother roll is installed in the machine. after which the foil is passed through the winding stems. Next, it passes under a shaft with a razor or circular blades. There, the foil is cut into a maximum of 10 smaller packs. And then we're done. The packs are on their way to bakeries and confectionaries. And after they are filled, they'll go straight onto store shelves. Much to the delight of all fans of goods that don't lose their flavor and freshness for a long time.